What time is it? Sarah, what time is it?
It is 6 o'clock. It is 6 o'clock.
Is she coming? Is Lily coming home soon? I am waiting.
Relax, David. She is on her way. She is coming home. Be patient.
But I am hungry. I am very hungry. My stomach is empty.
The door opens. Lily is here. Lily is finally here.
Lily!
Mom,
Dad!
I am home. I am back home. It is so good to see you. I missed you both.
Happy birthday, Lily.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday, my dear.
Are you hungry?
Are you hungry? Let's eat dinner. Dinner is ready. Please sit down. Sit down, everyone. Let's have dinner.
It smells good. The chicken smells very good.
Yum, yummy. Here is some soup. Hot vegetable soup. It is healthy. It tastes delicious. Mom, this soup is delicious. Thank you, Lily. I am glad you like it. Eat more.
How was your day? Lily, how was your work today?
It was busy. My day was very busy. I worked hard.
You worked hard. You must be tired.
Poor Lily. Eat some chicken. You need energy. This is for you.
Oops. I am clumsy. I am sorry.
It is okay, Dad. You are funny. You are always funny.
I am full. That was a great dinner.
Thank you, Sarah.
I will wash the dishes.
No, not today. Today is your birthday. You relax. We will do it.
Now? Is it time? Is it time? Is it time for the surprise? Lily, wait here. Close your eyes. Please close your eyes. Here is the cake.
Oh, David, it's perfect.
The birthday cake. It is small but sweet.
Only one candle?
Why only one? She is 21.
One candle for us. One candle for our family.
Simple is best.
I understand. One light.
One love. Let's go. Here they come. The surprise is coming.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, dear Lily.
Happy birthday to you.
Make a wish, Lily. Make a big wish.
Close your eyes. Dream of the future. Make a wish.
I made a wish. I hope it comes true.
Hooray!
Good job!
Let there be light!
Hooray! Mom, Dad.
Why only one candle?
I am 21.
21 candles?
Too much fire. We don't want to burn the house. You are funny, Dad.
Be serious, David.
No, Lily. One candle is special. One candle means unity. We are 3 people,
Huh.
but we are one family. One light. I understand. 3 people, one heart. Like the candle. Now cut the cake. 1 piece for you. One for Dad. 1 for me. Here, Dad. This is for you. Enjoy it.
It is sweet. Very delicious. Is it good? Is it soft?
This is the best cake. Simple and sweet.
I am full.
That was great.
Thank you.
Let's go to the living room. We have a surprise.
They moved to the sofa. The dinner is over. Sit here, Lily. Get comfortable. We have a gift. This is from us. Happy birthday. Open it.
What is this? A book? A book? It looks old.
It is an album, a photo album of our family.
Oh. Is that me? I was so small.
Yes, that is you. You had tiny feet.
Very cute. I rocked you to sleep.
Every night. Rock, 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 rock.
You grew up fast. Too fast. Time flies. I remember this bike. My red bike. I loved it. Look at Dad. You look funny. We don't have much money, but we have memories.
Memories are gold.
I love it. I love it. It is the best gift. Thank you.
You are welcome.
Keep it safe. Keep it forever. They sit together, quiet and happy. Peace in the house. So, Lily, what is your dream? What will you do?
I want to learn. I want to see the world. I want to be happy. You can do it. Be kind. Work hard. You will be happy.
And come home. Always come home. We are here.
We are here.
I promise. I will always come home. This is my home.
Oh, I am tired.
I am very sleepy.
Time for bed. Yes, let's sleep. Tomorrow is a new day.
Okay.
I am tired too. What a good day.
The party is over. The night is ending.
Good night. Thank you for everything. See you tomorrow.
The door closes. She is safe.
She is happy. We did good, Sarah.
Yes. We are lucky. Very lucky. Inside the room, Lily is alone. Quiet time. The gift is safe. The memories are safe. The moon is bright. The stars are beautiful. Look at the moon. It watches over us. Thank you, world. Thank you, God.